Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Tesla. I did a lot of videos on Tesla. You can look at the playlist. I was pretty much doing weekly update and periodic update every now and then. So you can refer all the old videos. And in this video, we are going to look at the stock is still a buy or a sell or a hold. Because this stock came under pressure last week and this week as well. So I thought of doing a quick video, and my intention of this video is to give you as good information and as actionable information as much as possible in a very short time frame. So let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the information is on our record out there, so you can find it at any time. And please check out all our social media sites. We love to see you guys as part of the conversation. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. As usual to do the level set, let's start with the website tracker. This stock is added to the tracker back in 323 when it was trading around $86.86 because it's a split adjusted price, and as of today it's closed well over $366 and it's posting almost 321% gain. It was at the peak was posting almost 450 or something like that, but it came down quite a bit lately, and the stop loss was around $79.91. So along the way, if you come down to the table, this stock has now added many secondary entry point at many price levels. One on May 5th, another one on June 8th, another one on July 1st, and the last one was on July 13th. These are not split adjusted price, so these are secondary entry point at the time, and I believe this stock is offering another entry point at this price level. So the minimum entry price would be 366.28 and the maximum would be 384.59, and your stop loss is around 336.98. The stop loss is your risk level. So for any reason this stock's price is below this price level, you may want to close the position and move on to the next one, or wait for the stock consolidate, and you want to save your capital as much as possible so you can take advantage of another trend. So let's look at the chart and see why this is a secondary entry point. So if you look at the chart, it was added back in the tracker when it was trading around found support at its 50-week moving average. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for Tesla. The two indicators that I follow is the 50-week moving average and the 10-week moving average. So this is your original entry point back in 323 when it found support at the 50-week moving average, and if we offered another one when it found support at its 10-week or reclaimed its 10-week moving average, and offered one because it did a nice consolidation and moved upwards, and another one when it found support at the 10-week moving average, and the last one was right here when it found support at the 10-week moving average, and this is your split run that done. The stock now went crazy and it came down quite a bit after the split, and this week it found support at the 10-week moving average line again. I was about to do a video yesterday, but the stock closed below that line, so I want to give some time for the stock to prove itself. It can regain the line, and today it not only regained the line, it's also closed at the top end of the range. So I believe this stock is now offering a secondary entry point at this price level. So let's look at a couple of contracts for this guy, as we are a little bit bullish on this one. So I will stick with the one alert that I put it on the Facebook page yesterday. It's going to be the Tesla 400 November call. So let's look at the call, whether this call is still attractive to buy, or what's going on with this call. So, but I would start with this Tesla November 400 call, which was I put it yesterday. So I would start with the November call, which is 400 is around $52. It's trading today. Yesterday it went down all the way to almost closer to 40 or 39, something like that, but it come back to the same level when I put the alert. So if you want to take a look at it, the stock, if it is tomorrow it cools down a little bit, if the call cools off a little bit, you may want to consider it, but I won't recommend the October call because it's so close and this stock runs wild, and you want to give a little bit more time for the stock. Now anything falls back, so just give a little bit more premium, but I believe that 400 November call looks decent to me. So you can look at whatever call you want depending upon your situation and whatever you like, but I would start with the November 400 call. It ran a little bit yesterday. It recouped all the yesterday's losses, so or when it was started, it's still almost 50% off from its peak, I believe. So What you do is that, like, you look at the call, which one, whatever you like, just pick it up. But I would start with November 400 call. Okay, guys, I believe Tesla is offering a secondary entry point at this price level. Let's see how things plays out. This is one of the hyper stocks. So it goes up, goes down. So it's a lot of fun. So please check out the website. I will put the tracker link in the description section of the video, so you can refer it whenever you want. It will get updated at the end of the day with the stock closing price. And please check out all our social media sites and see our alerts. We put there every now and then. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stock in coming days. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have a great day.